Data centers are an extremely mission-critical piece of infrastructure in today's modern age. They power the internet, and they enable us to connect with our communities. But the construction and operation of these data centers has a carbon footprint, and Meta is committed to addressing that carbon footprint. So on the operational side, Meta has achieved net zero operational emissions since last year, and so now we're focusing our attention on addressing the embodied carbon footprint of our infrastructure by looking at emissions across our value chain. And that includes the emissions from the materials that we use to build our data centers. And concrete is a significant contributor to our overall data center emissions. And so we're taking steps to reduce that footprint. Concrete is interesting. Cement and concrete alone contributes to about 8% of global anthropogenic carbon emissions. And so to the extent we can reduce the carbon footprint of concrete, it makes a significant contribution towards reducing emissions, not just in the data center industry, but the general building industry. So we partnered with UIUC and Ozinga on this initiative. We worked with the university to develop an artificial intelligence model that generates new and innovative formulas for concrete that not only reduce its environmental impact, but also ensure that the technical performance requirements of the concrete are met. So we worked with the university to refine the model and tweak the formulas for the concrete, and then handed that over to the folks at Ozinga, who further refined it and helped us field test the model. So as Stefan mentioned earlier, the floor slab that you're standing on in this building used that low carbon concrete. And the early test results have been really promising. We've been able to achieve approximately 40% reduction in emissions relative to the industry standard through this collaboration. And we're going to continue testing and piloting this concrete in other applications with the expectation that we will be able to use it at scale in future data center applications. So really exciting project for all of us.